I just finished the install of a Mannington Adura African Sunset. It's a beautiful floor. I took the last week off of work and did the install of this floor. Did the kitchen, up into the living room. Down the hallway. It's a very pretty floor. Up to the fireplace. I undercut the fireplace here with an oscillating saw with a diamond tip blade, so the flooring ran up underneath the floor. Only problem now is we're going to need new furniture because looks pretty ratty in here. But very pleased, very happy with this floor. Very pretty floor. It's a Mannington Adura African Sunset.